Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. As you can see, I have here a box from Revlon. This is a one-step blow dry multi-air styler 5-in-1, and this is also for dry, curl, smooth, and shape and volumize in one step. This is how the brush looks like. It has, I think this is a comb, a brush for the volume. And this is for the curls, and this is also like a curlier or just like a straightener. Curler. A curler or just like for a straightener.
Yeah, tell about the price.
And
it's from Amazon.
This is from Amazon. I bought it for 50 euros and it was on sale. The original price was 100 euro. And this is just like a half price of it. It is a good sale.
50% off.
It was 50% off, yeah. Okay, let's open it. But how to open this? Yeah. Ta-da! Here. And first, I think this is the curler. The curler. This is the curler. And this is, I think, for volume. Brush. The hair here for brush. For example, I have here a curtain bangs. I can do this. It's also good with it. And this is the, what is this, Mama? Aufsatz. It's better
blower.
Parang makaano dito.
Connection.
Connector. You know, exactly. And this is another. Sabi ko yan. Here, you can do this.
And meron din siyang another brush.
Here, another brush.
Okay.
Here, and then just, I think you should do like this. Wait. This and top.
Okay.
And another brush.
Hair curler.
For
the volume.
Yeah.
And then
this is another. I think this is just a comb. This is just like a comb.
Pero meron niyang meron din niyang air.
Yeah, everything from the net.
That's 5-in-1?
Yeah. 5-in-1. Yeah, that's it. We just look like this. And I think it was here, but it was already open.
And then?
Yeah, it was here. Yeah.
Next one. Then you try tomorrow.
I will try tomorrow. You can.
Hindi siya soft.
Kan hier verstellen. Zack, zack, zack. Yeah, that's it.
Hindi siya soft. Yun lang, hindi siya soft. Medyo matigas. This curler. I know this one.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it.
That's actually everything. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.